Full of chainsaws. Let's test these out and see which one would be the best backyard chainsaw. Do this 4-inch electric one. Next up is this 6-incher. It's a lot like that 4-incher, but it has this oiling system, which makes it kind of nice. So you just pull this trigger and you can let it rip. Let's go ahead and try this one out. Yeah, this one can cut a little bigger sections, a little bigger logs than the other one. Yeah, it'll go, but super simple to use, and it's a little more powerful. Let's see how this one does. Which is okay if you're in your backyard, which makes this a pretty good option. It's a 16-inch saw. You can add the oil in right there. Let's go ahead and check out how powerful it is and how good it is at cutting. Let's see how this one does. So this is a 14-incher as well. This has been a very reliable saw. Let's try it out. Get one more out of there? We got the Husqvarna Rancher 460. Has a 20-inch bar on there. Let's see how this baby does.